Hello, hello. I'm so excited that you're tapping into the personal achievement portfolio. I'm Jacqueline Twillie. Glad that you're here. Want to give you a quick couple of tips on why I created this page. I've worked with thousands of leaders across the world, and one of the things that I've learned is that sometimes we get impacted by various scenarios and we start to doubt our ability. And I firmly believe that the antidote to imposter syndrome is self efficacy. Self efficacy is the belief in yourself to get something done. So, with that being said, what are the practical tools to boost your self efficacy? Insert the personal achievement portfolio. I want you to think about this like your brag book, but on steroids. This is receipts, it's data, it's more than a resume, it's more than a LinkedIn profile. It's a tool that you can use when you're getting ready to prepare for interviews, when you're getting ready to go into a performance evaluation, especially if you don't have a formal self evaluation process. This is clutch. It's going to help you. If you're looking to reach out to people to talk about the skills that you've developed over the past few years, or you don't quite know which role you should be tapping into, you want to use the personal achievement portfolio. It's going to give you a full snapshot of who you are and the skills that you add. All right, I'm talking too much. This is just an intro. Tap in. This document is available for you to download and start working through today.